In this video, I want to talk about when to use the word and in numbers. Do you know when? Look at the number you see on your screen now. Let's keep it nice and simple. We have a number which has 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3. What is this number? It is 123. Notice how I use the word and after 100. But why? Let's look at this number 123, 123, as 3 columns. The first column is the hundreds column. The second column is the tens column, and the third is the units column. When we have a value in the tens column or the units column, we have to use and if there is something in the hundreds or before. So here we say 123 because there is a 2 in the tens column and a 3 in the units column. The same if the number is 103. Okay, there is no value in the tens column, but there is a value in the units column. In this case, it is the 3. So we need to say 103 because there is a value in the tens or units column. Okay, so 103. What about this number? 109. And this one? 174. So now you've seen these 3 columns. Let's put a comma and then 3 zeros. They then become thousands, but the same rule applies. This number is 103,000. This number is 123,000. What about this one? 100,000. No and, just 100,000. What about this one? 100,001, because in the third column of the second 3 there is a unit. What about this number? 123,123. So you use and when there is a digit or a value in the second or third columns. Try this number. 701 million, because there is a 1 in the third column. What about this number? 850,000. What about this one? 1,053,000. Try a bit more. Do a bit more practice. Write some numbers, try and say them out loud, and then check. So remember, when there is a value in the second or third column, we need to say and before we say what that number is. Simple.